Welcome to this tutorial on how to add an anchor link on Wix. An anchor link is a type of link that allows visitors to jump to a specific section of a web page. Adding anchor links to your Wix website can improve user experience and make it easier for visitors to navigate your site. To add an anchor link on Wix, start by logging into your Wix account and selecting the website you want to work on. Click on the Editor button to open the Wix editor. In the Wix editor, scroll to the section of the page where you want to add the anchor link. Click on the text element and type in the text you want to use as the anchor link. Highlight the text by selecting it with your mouse. Then click on the link button in the toolbar at the top of the screen. In the link window, select the anchor option from the drop-down menu. You will see a list of all the sections on your web page. Select the section you want to link to. If the section you want to link to is not in the list, you can add an anchor to that section by clicking on the Add Anchor button. To add an anchor, click on the section you want to link to. Then click on the settings icon and select Add Anchor. Give the anchor a name and click Apply. Now you can select the anchor from the list of available anchors. Once you have selected the anchor, click Apply to add the anchor link to your text. You can test the anchor link by clicking on it to make sure it jumps to the correct section of the page. Best practices for using anchor links on Wix include using descriptive text for the link, making sure the anchor is placed at the top of the section, and testing the link to make sure it works correctly. By following these steps and best practices, you can easily add anchor links to your Wix website and improve the user experience for your visitors.